Hello guys, today let us solve the last year's JEE Mains Mathematics problem, that is sin pi by 22, sin 3 pi by 22, sin 5 pi by 22 into sin 7 pi by 22 into sin 9 pi by 22. So first of all, let us understand how to convert the sin theta in terms of cos theta. So sin can be converted into cos in terms of cos of 90 minus theta. That means 90 can be written as pi by 2 minus theta. Now, let us convert each and every part of this question. Sin pi by 22 can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 22. Okay, then after we should take the LCM. LCM will be 22. So 2 11s is 22. So 11 into pi, 11 pi minus pi. So this is obviously cos 10 pi by 22. So this again 2 5s and 2 11s, so cos 5 pi by 11, this can be written as next step is sin 3 pi by 22. So how do we convert this? This is also converted in terms of cos of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 22. Again LCM is 22. Now 2 11s are 22, so 11 pi minus 3 pi, that is 8 pi by 22. So again 2 4s are 8 and 2 11s is 22, so cos 4 pi by 11. The next step is cos of sine of 5 pi by 22. This can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 22. Now this again LCM will be 22, so 11 pi minus 5 pi, obviously this is cos of 6 pi by 22. This is cos of 3 pi by 11. Next is sine of 7 pi by 22. This is also written as cos of pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 22. LCM will be obviously 22. Now 2 11s are 22, so 11 into pi, 11 pi minus 7 pi. This can be written as 4 pi by 22. That means this is 2 pi by 11. Next, finally, sine of 9 pi by 22. This can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus 9 pi by 22. This is cos of, again LCM is 22, so 2 11s is 22, so 11 pi minus 9 pi. This is equal to cos of 2 pi by 22. That means cos of pi by 11. Now the resultant is cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 and into cos 5 pi by 11. So this is what we got from this expression. After this we should know from this formula cos a into cos 2a into cos 2 square a into cos 2 cube a into so on cos 2 power n a, or it can be written as cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a into so on cos power 2n a, can be written as sine of 2 power n a by 2 power n sine a. With this I will take a note that let a is equal to pi by 11. I assume like that. So this is pi by 11. After assuming this, I will write it from the above expression as cos a into cos 2a into cos 3a into cos 4a into cos 5a. But we should not have this odd numbers. So how do we remove them? So I would like to write this cos 3 pi by 11 in terms of cos of pi minus 3 pi by 11. So why I am writing? So if you assume this as theta, cos of 180 minus theta, this is in second quadrant. So value will not change, but we get resultant as minus. So it can be written as cos of 8 pi by 11. So my agenda is to convert 3 pi by 11 in terms of minus cos 8 pi by 11. Similarly, cos of 5 pi by 11 can also be written as cos of pi minus 5 pi by 11. So I would actually opt for pi plus, because I will get cos of 16 pi by 11, because 11 into 1 11 pi plus 5 pi, that is 16 pi by 11. 180, again this you assume as theta, 180 plus theta means cos is negative in that quadrant, so we'll get a negative value. So I converted it just like in the formula, that is 2 cube a means 8a, 2 power 4a means 16a. So I will write like this. Now I would write cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into, in terms of cos 3A I can write as minus cos 8A, and again into 5A can be written as minus cos 16A. Okay, now minus into minus obviously plus. So my agenda is it has been fulfilled, because highest power is how many powers we have here? Five terms we have. So our formula would be what? Sine of 2 power n, 2 power 5 into a, angle is a, by 2 power n, that is 2 power 5 into sine a. So because 5 terms we have, so that is why n is equal to 5. N is 5. After that sine 32a, and here it is sine a into 2 power 5. Now this 32a can be written as 33a minus a. Why I am writing like that? I will tell you. This is 2 power 5 means 32 into sine a. Now why I have written like that? Because sine of, if I want to replace a value is pi by 11 minus a by 32 into sine a. If I want to replace a value as pi by 11, so 11 3s are 33, so 3 pi minus 11, sine of 3 pi minus a by 32 into sine a. Obviously sine of 3 pi minus theta is sine theta, that is sine a, by 32 sine a. Now sine a will get cancelled, so answer would be 1 by 32. So this is the ultimate answer, my friends. So this is how we will solve this problem. Thank you.